Here's another great Blue Monster product. Blue Monster PVC One-Step Clear and Blue Cement. Blue Monster PVC One-Step is perfect for installations that require a very fast set, quick pressurization, or challenged by wet conditions. Blue Monster products are brought to you by the Millrose Company, the recognized leader in brushes, abrasives, and thread sealants. This video demonstrates Blue Monster One-Step PVC Cement solvent welding a connection. Don't be afraid, 1 round equals 1 minute. Blue Monster One-Step Cement can be used on wet or dry pipe, applied in cold or hot temperatures, and requires no primer. Blue Monster One-Step Cement, when applied to PVC pipe and fitting contact points, softens and dissolves, preparing the surfaces for a chemical weld. Once the pipe and fitting are joined together, a chemical weld occurs. Blue Monster One-Step is recommended for all classes of PVC, including Schedule 80, pressure pipe systems up to 6-inch, non-pressure systems up to 8-inch. Use on potable water, pool, irrigation, conduit, DWV, drain duct, and sewer. It sets up fast, 4 minutes for good handling, 4 hours for high strength. It's NSF 14 and 61 certified. Now it's time for the demo. For the perfect solvent weld, it all starts with square cut pipe ends that are chamfered and deburred. This demonstration focuses on the performance of Blue Monster One-Step Cement, blue and clear, on 1.5 PVC DWV pipe. We're going to wet the pipe and fitting now, then proceed into the solvent weld. So I'm dipping the pipe into the water, so the pipe is now wet. Piece number 2 is wet. And I'm going to drop the fitting in, the 1.5 DWV 90 in, and wet that as well. I am going to shake the excess water off, but now I'm going to proceed with the solvent weld. I'm going to start with the clear first. We're going to apply the clear directly into the hub of the 1.5 90. I'm going to put a heavy allotment of clear cement on the pipe, and now I'm going to engage the fitting and pipe together to make the weld. A slight turn, 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch is what it takes in turning the pipe to ensure equal distribution of the cement. We're going to go ahead and proceed to the blue now. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the cement directly into the hub of the 90. Now I'm going to prepare and apply cement to the pipe. We're going to go ahead and do the insertion. Missed a spot here. I'm going to add a little more cement. We're going to do the insertion of the pipe into the fitting. This is a 2-part video, so after I've turned this in, we're going to allow this pipe and fitting to set up for 4 minutes. I'm going to come back to you in 4 minutes, and we're going to do the leak test, where I'm going to fill this pipe and fitting with water. We're going to get close up here to prove that the seal is monster perfect. We're back for part 2, which is the leak test. It's been 4 minutes. The leak test is the following. We're going to pour water out of this pitcher into the pipe. As I get this full, you're going to see it coming out of the opposite end here. And I'm getting real close here. I just want to minimize the amount of water that spills over. So I've got it coming out of this side and this side. We're completely full. I'm going to dry off here so that we can make sure that we don't have any water that's carried down, so it'll interfere with your view of the test. Blue Monster Cement is extremely hot. I'm going to bring the video camera a little closer here. Blue Monster Cement, really hot, sets up really quickly. The point is that this is the ideal product for a repair plumber that needs to get in and get out quick, an irrigation contractor that time is just ticking away. They want to get this up and running and the system back together quickly. Thank you. Now it's time for a review of the Blue Monster One-Step Cement benefits. Appearance. The 2 photos compare piping installations in a mechanical room. A high-efficiency furnace that was piped with purple primer versus a sump pump discharge using Blue Monster Clear One-Step. I'll let you be the judge. In summary, Blue Monster cements are no primer, single step, making life a whole lot easier. They're fast setting, ideal for service and repair, immediate pressurization. Perfect for wet or dry pipe, it just doesn't matter, and cold or hot conditions, all the way from 0 up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Blue Monster performs. Thank you for watching this video. You've survived 3 minutes with the Monster.